If you're ready to harness the power of your communications data, blast off with Nylas today.
Hi, everyone. My name is Ram, and I'm a developer advocate at Nylas, and welcome to Coding with Nylas. So on this live stream, we talk about APIs, building with the Nylas APIs, programming languages, and other things.
Hi, I'm Blag, Senior Developer Advocate here at Nylas.
Hey, Blag, how you been?
I've been doing fine, thanks. Just allergies coming back again for some reason. So
Okay. Yeah, so we know the seasons are changing, that's for sure. But I was thinking about it before jumping on. I'm like, when was the last time that I was on a live stream? It must have been a few weeks ago.
yeah, yeah, you have been busy with the conference and everything. So
yeah. So it's
let's talk about that.
it's definitely something to watch. I know you've been doing live streams for the past few weeks, so it's been awesome to see you to keep doing those. But yeah, let's jump in. So I think today, what I want to do, and I know we talked about all the things we cover on this live stream. I think it'd be cool if we just cover some events that we've done in the past and some events we have coming up with regards to building with Nylas and artificial intelligence. So building with Nylas and AI.
Cool.
So I just want to do a quick recap because we were at WeAreDevelopers Berlin. So we were at the World Congress last week. So I wanted to go through a quick recap of that and then briefly talk about upcoming events we have ongoing at Nylas, especially from the developer advocates. We have a lot going on right now. We want to share some events that we have coming up just to kind of get you more excited and more involved in building with Nylas and as well with AI.
Yep.
So yeah, here's a picture of our booth. So we were at in Berlin last week for the WeAreDevelopers Congress, and in total, I think there are over 10,000 developers or attendees for the conference. We had a lot of people come by our booth.
Mm-hmm.
So we had a few team members come by, and it was actually awesome to see everyone interacting with us. So they would read our booth, and they would see, oh, email, calendar, and contacts. And most people have used email, calendar, and contacts. That's for sure. But with a lot of developers, they're like, oh, I have a use case for that. I want to see how I can learn more about working with calendars. So we had a good chance to do demos as well. So we would bring individuals into our booth and we'd do demos with them. I think someone may have mentioned to you, Blog, that someone was asking how to send emails using voice.
Oh, that's nice.
So that was I think that was a live stream that you did previously as well, where it's like you can use Nylas to send emails using voice and other APIs.
Yeah, that's so cool.
Yes, and I'm just showing a picture here. We had our SDK, our lead SDK developer, Mustafa, come by as well for the conference, and we're joking that this line was actually come and see Moose and talk about building with the Nylas SDKs.
Yeah, it looks like, right? That's amazing.
And it was interesting because we had developers from the enterprise side and as well from like startups, and even talking to some of the larger companies, we realized that they have similar challenges even internally, where even doing, for example, I think it was one company that was a finance company, and they're like, oh, we've done a hackathon integrating with calendars just to see how we can reduce the amount of time we spend in meetings. And I'm like, oh, you could have used Nylas to do that hackathon, and then you could focus on the feature that you wanted to build, as opposed to like the Google integration.
Mm-hmm. Totally.
So a lot of good conversations, and as well a good chance to build with developers. So we also had a workshop at the conference in Berlin, and the workshop focused on how can you build with Nylas and using AI. So in Nylas, we really wanted to showcase that you can build with our quick start guide, so you can get all the functionality that you need to integrate with Nylas off the shelf, so you can actually build out your own feature or whatever functionality that you want to build.
Cool. You had full house.
Yeah, so we had a full workshop in terms of attendees. And what was really cool is we focused on building with JavaScript. So we picked our JavaScript SDK or Node SDK, and we built with Nylas. So we took our quick start guide quickly, and we started building with it. And then we started using AI models to show how you can kind of grab an email using Nylas, grab the email body, and just pass that on to AI to get a response. So it would be able to generate a response for you. One cool thing here for the workshop is we had attendees come and build with other SDKs as well. So they used the Java SDK. We had someone using the Python SDK.
Nice.
So they're able to build with the other SDKs with Nylas. And this was also a great chance for us to kind of work with developers one-on-one. I know this is something that we're starting to do a bit more of, and we've done in the past through like hackathons or just reaching out to developers and just spending time with a developer and seeing how they use our product or how they build with Nylas has been like a great experience from coming from the conference.
Yeah, totally. That's so cool.
Yeah. And as well, we do have some upcoming events that we want to talk about. So we're going to take the workshop that we did at the conference and we're going to do it virtually for everyone that wasn't able to attend or wasn't able to catch the actual workshop at the conference. So the
Cool.
same concept of how can you build an email responser using AI and Nylas.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so we're just going to walk you through how to use Nylas to access emails or access communication data, and how can you pipe that information or send that information over to an AI model to start generating content or generating an email response so you can start sending off or even using as a first draft.
I see. No, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, so that is going to be coming up on August 10th,
Mhm.
and we're going to share the information and the link where you can register, but that's going to be coming up in about a week's time, so it'll be next Thursday.
Yeah. So mark your calendars so you can attend.
Yep, and I think we have some time. We'll send out another reminder and we'll share this again at our next live stream. And we also have another event coming up with regards to AI and Nylas. So, Blog, I'm going to leave this for you to talk about.
Yeah. So we're gonna do a hackathon, which is gonna involve Nylas and AI tools. It's gonna be on DevPost, so you can go to nylas.devpost.com and you can register yourself. You're not gonna be able to submit anything until August 8th, but you can for sure sign in. You're gonna get an email with some information that you can use to get started. You can go through our blog post. You can go through our live streams. You can start generating your ideas for the hackathon. And we're gonna do, this coming Friday, we're gonna have an episode on the hackathon where we're gonna explain more about it. But now that the hackathon is coming.
Yeah, so stay tuned. This Friday, we're going to talk more about the hackathon. All the details will be coming then.
Mhm.
And yeah, that's really it for events and a recap of where we are developers, the Congress or the conference, and as well what other upcoming events we have. So we have quite a few events coming with regards to building with Nylas and using AI to build out cool or very useful and powerful functionality.
Yep, that's right. We're always looking to do more with AI. So that's one of the cool things. And you're gonna
Yeah.
see a lot of it here on Coding with Nylas. So before we forget, don't forget to like and subscribe. Just click on the little bell to get notified when we get new episodes. Like our videos, subscribe to the channel. So the more subscribers we get, the more videos we can do. Also engage with us, leave us comments, go to social. Remember, we're Nylas everywhere, even on X, because Twitter is now no longer functioning. Now it's X for some reason. So we're there. Send us an email, send us a X. It's not a tweet. I think it's a post, right?
I don't know what
Previously
to call it.
tweet,
I don't know what it's a
right
tweet
now
or
it's a post.
it's a post. Okay. We have to change some terminology.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, you can
Well,
follow us on all the socials. We love to hear from you, and we will see you again on Friday.
yep. Awesome. Thank you so much, Ram.
All right. Thank you, Black. See you soon.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye now.